Hello children, today I'll teach you chapter number 6, fractions. Comparing and ordering of fraction. So if two fractions have same denominator, the fraction having small numerator is smaller than the other. Let's understand it through this example. Here I have taken two figures divided into 9 equal parts. You can see the first figure that only two shaded portion, and in the second figure only 3 parts are shaded. So how we will write the fraction for the first figure? That is 2 by 9, and in the second figure the fraction is 3 by 9. If you will compare the two fractions, so 3 shaded parts are more than the 2 shaded part. It means when your denominator is same, so we will compare their numerator. So here numerator for the right side figure is more than the first figure. So 2 by 9 is less than 3 by 9. This is how we compare the fraction. So if two fractions have same denominator, the fraction having smaller numerator is your smaller fraction, and the fraction having greater numerator is your greater fraction. Now, when fractions have the same denominator, how you will align them from smallest to greatest or greatest to smallest? So children, when fractions have the same denominator, just line them up in size order using the numerator. For ascending order, you will arrange the fraction from smallest to greatest number, and for descending order, you will arrange them from greatest to smallest number. Let's understand it through an example. Here the example is 3 by 8, 7 by 8, 2 by 8 and 5 by 8. So the first thing you will look, that is their denominator. That is 8, 8, 8, 8 means the denominator is same. Now you will look their numerator. So here numerators are different. Now for ascending order, you will see the smallest numerator first, and then you will write at the end you will write the greatest numerator. So here the smallest fraction would be 2 by 8, and then it comes 3 by 8, and then 5 by 8, and at the last 7 by 8. So you can see here 2 by 8 is the smallest fraction, whereas 7 by 8 is your greatest fraction. So the alignment from smallest to greatest fraction is called your ascending order. And for descending order, you will align from greatest to smallest. So here first will come 7 by 8 is greater than 5 by 8 is greater than 3 by 8 is greater than 2 by 8. So for descending order, if you have like fraction, we will compare their numerators. So the smallest numerator is your smallest fraction, and the greatest numerator is your greater fraction. So here the 7 by 8 is your greatest fraction, then 5 by 8 is greater fraction than 3 by 8 is greater fraction than 2 by 8. There are different types of fractions. So number 1 is unit fraction. Fractions which have 1 as the numerator are known as unit fractions. For example, 1 by 2, 1 by 9, 1 by 8, 1 by 4. Here you can see that one thing is common, that is your numerator. All the numerators are same, that is 1, 1, 1, 1. So when your fractions have 1 as the numerator, then that is called your unit fraction. So the second type is like fractions. If the denominator of two fractions are the same, they are known as like fractions. For example, 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. Here you can see all the denominators are same, that is 5, 5, 5, 5. Okay, so when your denominators are same, you will call that fraction as like fraction. Then comes your unlike fraction. Fractions which do not have the same denominator are known as unlike fractions. For example, 1 by 3, 1 by 4 and 2 by 5. Here you can see the denominators are different, 3, 4 and 5. So such fractions are called as unlike fraction. Then comes your fourth fraction, that is called as proper fraction. So a fraction in which the numerator is smaller than denominator is called proper fraction. Proper fractions represent a part of the entire object. For example, here 2 by 3, 5 by 7, 9 by 10 and 11 by 13. So all proper fractions as their numerators are less than their denominators. And your fifth fraction is improper fraction. A fraction in which the numerator is greater than the denominator is called improper fraction. Improper fraction represent one or more than one object. For example, 3 by 2, 6 by 5, 11 by 7 and 13 by 9. Here you can see your numerator is greater than the denominator. Such fractions are called as improper fraction. They are also known as top-heavy fractions or mixed fractions. Thank you for watching.